Hello, hi. This is Given George, and the project in front of you is Digital Academic Office, the database system which is purely made from the Access program. This database has been made specifically for secondary schools and primary schools. It's a very simple database to be used, and has been made two languages, mainly English and Swahili. So it can be used by those who use Swahili, but also can be used by those who use English. All right, now this is our login form, and as you have seen here, the sample pre in primary school. This is just a sample school a logo, but nothing existing called sample primary school. Sorry. Okay. Now apart from this, we do have our login in the ID here. You have to enter your login ID here, and here you will have to enter the password. Okay. So this is login ID. Login ID is Shule 2016. But password is right, this one. Okay, this is our password. Now that this, you log in. Our database opens like that way. Welcome to the digital world of computer systems. Here there's developer, okay, the developer, or the program builder address, number, and physical address. Okay, as you may see, is the main menu, digital academic office, admission book. We have the score sheets, we have the fee and contributions, have the discipline and students conduct. We have here the admitted number of students, their name per class. We have here students by level. We have here student by sex, business status, start option, if science, art, or a certain start option. But here we have the hostel scores. It'd be simple for you to get those details here. These are exams results. So finally we come to exam results and and get all the details, academic detail concerning a certain student. All right, now let us open our digital academic office admission book. As you may see here, our admission book opens like that way. Right, this is our admission book. In our admission book, if you want to add a new student, you just come here, you add. Okay, you add, and the excuse me, you add, and the empty profile be opened like that. But I have already added some few students like this. This is profile for Daniel George. Well, let us complete maybe this one. Okay, so you may add here Daniel George photo. Okay, you just take the Daniel George photo. Now here I don't have any photo, so you may just take this by example. Alright, okay, it's not Daniel this, just example, right? It's nothing existing called Daniel this way. Okay, this is the penguin photo, right? Now we add our photo there. Daniel George is a male, so just add male there. Maybe 7th of July 2000. Age, the student by now be 2000, no, let's say 2009. All right, 9. All right, 2009. Age, but now the students have, I don't know, it's 12 or what. Okay, no, it is a mod. I don't know, it's 9 or 8, like that. Class standard 3, sponsorship, parents, or you may just write the name of the parent, the one who is there is sponsoring the student. Admission is 2000, let's say 14, no 15, huh? And here maybe the admission was transfer admission, right, or let's say fresh admission, so they started here. ID number the EDFR 27, this one. Schooling style is day. Option, maybe a student is not an option. A number of subjects are seen there. Address, you just write down PO Box 267. Here is a street, Uzunguni, or let's say St. John Street. Alright. District or province, let's say Ilala. Okay. Legend, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Any leisure problems having, existing, we just write, for example, if none, you just write none. But if existing, you just write, for example, here asthma, status asthmaticus, medication. Okay, just write, say doctor. If for existing medication, just write the name of the medicine used. But if no, if the case happens very serious, you just write. These students, when this happens, the only way is to send him to the doctor. Alright, now here you may like contact emergency contact information. This one, you just save it out. You may see the profile opened for Daniel George Mongosi, Friday, January 20, 2017. This time here, and here is a complete address of the students, including the students' photo. Wow! Now this is all about the admission book. Okay, so this is call sheets. You may just come here, right, in call form. We want Daniel George Mongosi is here, so the marks are already filled here. So if you get this, you will see. You may just fill the marks. As I said, I pre-filled this just for demonstration. But this here is where the student marks are filled. So this is the mid-term part, this is terminal part, this is mid-term 2 or second mid-term part, and this is the annual examination part. After this, you save the record and then you click OK. Well, sometimes you may say no, this will take me much time to search one student to another, then to fill the details. No, this will take me much time. I want to use the data sheets. So you may just come to the which class do you want to fill the marks. You just go, our Daniel was in standard 3, so you just open the class where you want to fill those marks. You may see here the data sheet opening, showing the subjects and so forth. Our Daniel George Mongosi is here, standard 3, and these are the marks. So if you want to add the marks, whatever you want, you just use also this one if you like, and if you think this one is better to use data sheet instead of the form. So you have two alternatives here. You may use the score form, or you may use the sheets. So whatever you want to use, it is free for you to do. So these are the shortcuts. So this is a shortcut if you want to go to the results by using shortcut, or you want to go back to the menu, you just click here. Or you want to go to the shortcut, you just results, you just click here and so forth. But I don't want to use this. Let us go back to our menu. This is our menu here. You come now to fee and contributions. Our Daniel George Mongosi is there. Okay, you may add the school fees, the 6,700,000. hostel fee, let's say 700,000, and other contributions there 60,000. The date if existing, no. Okay, so you just save it out. It gives you the total amount which a student have to pay is 7,460,000. So this one you just exit it, cancel, you close the form. Here we have the discipline or student conduct. You just open it and you go specifically to the class where you want the class master or so forth. You want to fill the student detail. Our Daniel is in the class 3, standard 3. You just search here Daniel George, the student there, Daniel George. So you may see the okay, sometimes you may use the right surname. Right, we have said Daniel. Now you may rank the student here. Let's say maybe he is D, he's D, he's A, he's D, maybe he's A. Just example. I'm sorry if somebody existing this name, just an example. A, right. After this, you save, then you close. These are the shortcut to admission book, shortcut to examination results, shortcut to scaffolds. Wow. Okay, remember this is the key. Very good, satisfactory, poor. Right. Wow. So you have completed filling those important information for the student in your class. Here's where you may see the admitted students may open. Our Daniel was in standard 3. We may find out where standard 3 is. You may see Daniel is somewhere. Okay. Alright, was admitted. Here you have to say that you have to know the year the student admitted. We have said the student was admitted in 2017, right? So you may see our student there was admitted in 2015. The name was existing there. Okay, so it's better you write in capital letter instead of writing small letter like this. Right, so finally it gives you the total number of the students in the class, in the school. You may see here the total number of the students in school, 30. Right, you cross by level. Here's where you see how many students in each level. But here, student by sex, you see how many male students are in each class, how many female students are in each class. Here, say admission status, how many students have been admitted and transfer, and how many students admitted as fresh. Here, by option subject category, if the student any specific option, if for example science or art, you will see here. If not in option, also you will see here by per number per each class. Here's day on the hostel. You will see how many students in there, how many students hostel. But here we have the examination results. Here's where I wanted to take you. So if you want the general examination results, you will go direct to which term do you want the results. So midterm test, for example, our Daniel was in standard 3, so just open standard 3 midterm and you will get there the student named Daniel is here leading by 82.1 with the grade A and F. But apart from this, we do have here the the terminal examination results. Standard 3, you will get our Daniel again there, have leading the class by 70.8, grade B. If you want to print the midterm examination results, midterm 2 examination results, we're going again there. Our Daniel was there again leading the class by 83.1A. Okay, and examination results, you may print off of the results if you want in this way. Okay, well, Daniel there is the second in the class, having the average of 4. The one who is leading is here, Mashishanga, having 73.1, grade B. Right, now these are the general examination results, but we may want to print the individual examination results per each student. You may just come here to parents reports and just open, then you go specifically to the class you want the results. Our class here maybe is standard 3. Alright, standard 3, you just open like this way, and then you get your results are there. Good enough, our Daniel George Mongosi is here. So if a student could not be here, you may just search here. See, you may just search there. But our Daniel now is there, so no need to search because Daniel there. Alright, now this shows the subjects. See, test, exam, average, evaluation. It is complete and yet evaluated. But here you may see the student performance reports. Student performance, this is the student performance report in the first attempt. Student identification, you may see all the identification details of the student here. Class, admission year, sex, ID number, graduation year, sponsor, you may see here. Well, so we want to see every detail concerning the student. You have to print the results like this way. You may see here everything, starting from the student identification details, marks, and then total marks, average marks, grade. Yes, grade B, that is good, vizuri. Nafasi means position number 1, kati ya wanafunzi among 2 students. So he's reading the class, and here you will get the discipline issues have been lettered yet here, and here we get the announcement concerning this student. If the school has anything to announce to the parent, you just see here. But here we see the financial details, school fees, hostel fee, and total amount. So this is all good enough. You may print these academic reports, starting from this one to the last one. That's good. I think there is no way out to keep using the forms, the ready-made forms, and filling by using pen, the ink came in, and then if some mistakes happen, you just collect it by the collection thread. I don't think if that sound much or sound good. Even myself, the parent, I would like to see my child coming back with a neat report like this one. It looks so nice, and it seems the school have arranged her things in good way. The school is so systematic. So I think this is a good way of doing things. Okay, this is a class master somewhere to sign, and his headmaster as signature. Alright, so this is all. Otherwise, you have the question, don't hesitate to email me at givingskype@gmail.com. You need the help, don't hesitate to email me. You need to purchase my products, especially this database of anything, business, church management system, mosques, NGO, anything. Email me. Otherwise, you may call me at 255-769-01-2078. I wish you all the best. You're welcome. This is Digital Academic Office.